An inductor of inductance 2 millihenry is connected to a 220 volts 50 hertz AC source. Let inductive reactance in the circuit is x1. तो x1 हो जाएगा simply omega L. Now what is omega? Omega is 2 pi f into L. So it is 2 pi into f, frequency is 50 hertz, into L. L is 2 into 2 10 to the power minus 3. So this is going to be 2 into 50 is 100. So this is going to be 0.1. So 2 into pi, which is 6.28 into 0.1, which is 0.628 ohms. Now, if a 220 volt DC source, so this was for AC source. Now for a DC source, the omega becomes 0 because the frequency is 0. Okay, so as frequency is equal to 0, so therefore omega L also becomes 0. Okay, so therefore the inductive reactance is x2 is 0. So this is x2, this is x1. So therefore the option is going to be correct as C.